Hello everyone! As I have already told you, in this lesson I will show you how to run the game on one Android device. First thing you need to do is go to Settings on your mobile phone, find Developer Options and enable USB debugging. Next step is to connect the phone to your computer. Now, when it comes to Unity, we have to set up a few things also. First, regarding our canvas and text. If we run the game now, the text will be smaller and placed in the center of our screen, even though it looks okay now. We can change this by going to Canvas, finding UI Scale Mode, and changing it to Constant Physical Size. As you can see now, our text is off position, and we have to place them back. First, to see our Game Over text, we have to set it active, so click on Game Over text and change that in Inspector. And to see the rest of the text, you have to find Horizontal Overflow and change it to Overflow. I think that it's already positioned alright, we just need to make it a bit smaller, like that. Let's position and resize the score text also. Okay, now we will set an icon for the game. Add the icon folder to the project, go to File, Build Settings, Player Settings, and go to Inspector. Open up the icon folder and drag and drop Flappy Bird icon to default icon. Now scroll down a bit, find Identification and find Package Name. Here we have to type com.yourcompanyname.yourgamename. Hit Enter to save. And just in case, we will set up PC setting also. Even though we are developing for Android, I experienced errors a few times because of this, and we are doing this just in case. So choose PC platform, click on Player Settings, find Bundle Identifier, and write the same, com.yourcompanyname.yourgamename. Hit Enter to save. Now click back on Android, and make sure that you didn't change the platform. And if you did, you can click on the Switch Platform button to get it back to Android. Now that all of that's set up, we will check our scenes. As you may see, we have our main and our start scene here, but our main scene is first, meaning that it will run first. We need to change that by dragging start scene over the main. Now it's time to finally build and run, so make sure your phone is connected and unlocked. Click on Build and Run, choose where to save APK file, and name it Flappy Bird. Save it there and wait a few moments. Now let me show you how it looks on my phone. So here we have our start scene. We click on Start. And there it is, our Flappy Bird is flying. Let me show you the icon too. This APK file, meaning this game, will stay on your phone even when you disconnect the mobile phone from the computer. Okay, everything looks good, and that's everything for this lesson. We are done with our replica. I hope you learned something new, and I hope that it was not too complicated. Next lesson will just be a brief recap of everything we did, just repeating some key concepts of the game, and see you there.